Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you are new to my channel and this is the first time that you are watching me, hi, I'm Rizzy and I produce beauty and makeup related content every Tuesday and Saturday. So if you are new here and stick till the end of the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon so that you are notified every time I upload. Now that all the formalities are done, let us get ahead with the video. So today's video is going to be a review of Dot & Key Skin Essentials Night Serum, which is this beauty over here. And if you have been following me for a while, you know that I love serums, I love skincare, and I'm using this product for approximately 1 month now, on and off. So I just wanted to give you guys a review, or basically thought of how I felt about this serum. So yeah, if you want to know everything about this serum, just keep on watching. Firstly, let us talk about the price and the packaging of the serum. The serum comes in this beautiful, extraordinary packaging of 15 ml. It is priced at rupees 595. It comes in this beautiful carton box, and once you open the box, the serum bottle is inside, like something like this, and on one page you have all the details about the serum, and on the next leaflet you have the product carefully embedded into the cardboard box. The packaging is really pretty, and it is this silver and peach packaging, which I really like. The only thing about the bottle is that it is a glass bottle. So I would recommend to be extremely cautious with it because the glass can break and might hurt you. It also has this applicator for easy application, which is also very user friendly and hygienic, which I like for my skincare products. So yeah, I really like the packaging. Now let's talk about the fragrance. The fragrance of this serum is really very calming, natural. It kind of feels like when I'm taking a stroll in a garden and there are mogra and jasmine flowers as well over there, and the fragrance and the scent kind of does not hit you in the mind, but it leaves a faint aura. Then that kind of fragrance is there in this serum, which I really like and enjoy. It kind of puts me in a very good mood. Now let us talk about the ingredients of this serum. It consists of glycerin, peony extracts, verbena extracts, Scutellaria blancalis as well. Let me tell you, glycerin is basically helps to hydrate your skin. Peony extracts are also there to help you hydrate your skin. Scutellaria is basically for the anti-aging properties. It is a very natural antioxidant. Apart from that, the verbena extracts are good for providing brightness to your skin. So let's talk about the benefits that they are claiming about. I'm reading the packaging over here. Skin Essentials Night Serum. This revitalizing face serum penetrates deeply to replenish natural nutrients, prevent aging and brighten your complexion. So they are basically claiming three things. That it will prevent aging, it will brighten your complexion, and it will replenish natural nutrients, which means it will hydrate your skin. We'll come back to all the claims later. The consistency of the serum is quite thin and runny, and I will provide a demo of me using the serum over here somewhere, so you can see that it gets really absorbed very quickly and with 2 or 3 round motions of your hand. I always apply this serum after my cleanser and before my moisturizer, and I only use my fingers to get it absorbed into the skin. And the next morning I wake up with really hydrating skin. Although peony extracts are basically used to brighten up your skin and basically to counteract the effects of sun tanning, I do not know why they have put it in a night serum, because peony extracts can also be used in the day as well. So All these extracts can be used in the day as well, so I do not know why they have only put it as a night serum and not as a generic serum. That thing is beyond my understanding. Also, it does not feel sticky at all and is really very hydrating. As it is already mentioned on the packaging, I apply it in the night, and in the morning I wake up every day with beautiful glowy skin. Although if I want to compare the glowiness, I would say that their Dot & Key vitamin C serum concentrate helps me to brighten up my skin more. It is better to provide glowy and radiant skin, but this one does smoothens my skin out more. Okay, so if we talk about the glowiness, then definitely vitamin C serum is a better option, but this serum has helped to provide smoothness to my skin. Not so much glowiness, but definitely it has reduced my fine lines and wrinkles on my skin. So yeah, definitely it has provided smoothness. Now once it comes to anti-aging claims of the serum, I do not feel that it has helped me feel any younger, because for me anti-aging comprises of 3 different parts. First, reducing the fine lines and wrinkles, which it does. The second part is to tighten my pores, because with age only then you will experience pores on your skin. Otherwise younger skin does not have that much pores. So yeah, tightening my pore or tightening my skin. The third is, with age your skin becomes sagging. Okay, I am experiencing that a lot with the age, and this serum does not help to prevent that. So yeah, it fails in 2 categories, but it does smoothens out my fine lines and wrinkles. I just wanted to put it out there. If you are looking for really good anti-aging serum, then Biotique serum is the one for you. I have already provided the review for that on my Instagram channel. The Instagram link is written over here, so you can go ahead and find out the review for that, and you can buy that serum instead of this one. So basically this serum has helped me accomplish 2 major things. It hydrates my skin, it smoothens my skin, and the third part is the fine lines and wrinkles. Fine lines and wrinkles and smoothness go side by side, so I'm counting it as one. Apart from that, it does not have any extraordinary benefit for my skin. I did not feel anything extraordinary. I did feel extraordinary with their Dot & Key vitamin C serum concentrate, because it helped me in reducing my acne spots, and they are really very hard to get removed. So yeah, that definitely helped. The review link will be over there, so you can go ahead and watch that one if you want. But yeah, for a price of rupees 595 for 15 ml, I do not think that this serum actually does its job very well. I did not feel that this does anything extraordinary. So definitely, if you do not want if you are not looking for a hydration cream, and if you are looking for a better anti-aging serum, then this is not the one for you. But it can be used for an everyday use. Every day you can apply it, and you can wake up the next morning with really hydrating and glowing skin. But I think that you can achieve with any good moisturizer in the market as well. So for me, I do not think this does the job of a night essential serum, but on the longer run I do feel that it might help my skin for reducing the fine lines and wrinkles. But to visibly reduce those fine lines and wrinkles, it will take a lot more time. Also, when I first purchased it and I thought of doing the review of this serum, I went ahead and put up a story on my Instagram asking you people that what you want to know about this serum, that I can put it in my review, and many of you had so many things to ask, so I'm just including those questions over here as well. So somebody wants to know that whether it works on wrinkles or not. As I already said in the video, yes, it does help in the wrinkles, but definitely it wouldn't reduce them drastically overnight. But yes, with continuous use you will see a fair amount of change in the fine lines and wrinkles. Absorbance time frame, this is a very good question, and basically this actually takes so less amount of absorbance time. It gets absorbed like this, and this is the thing that I like with this serum, because I'm always using this in my nighttime skincare routine, and after a long day I do not want my serum to take so many of my minutes that I feel tired. So yeah, if I want my skincare to get really quickly, then I would definitely use this serum. Does it dry out your skin? No, it does not. In fact, it hydrates my skin really beautifully. Benefits of this serum. The benefits of this serum are hydration, smoothness, and reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Ingredients. The ingredients of this serum are peony. Verbena and Scutellaria. You can find out everything about these ingredients on the Google, and these basic ingredients are used to hydrate your skin and to brighten up your complexion and for anti-aging properties. So that is all for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to like and subscribe on my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. I would really appreciate that. Please let me know in the comment section below whether you like the review or not, what else you want to see on my channel over here, and I will definitely provide that content for you. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is written over there. I also upload makeup related content over there as well. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe on my channel. My most popular upload is over there, and my most recent upload is over here. Bye!